What's going on, guys? Alright, so here I'm changing my hub bearings, inner and outer, with the seal on E350 Super Duty, and I'll give you a rundown on what's going on. So this bearing here is pretty screwed up. The inner and the outer is pretty messed up too, and this was causing tire wobble. It wasn't the tires, because these are fresh, and I'll show you exactly where. If you take a look right here, you see the pitting that was happening from the hub bearing on the spindle. That was caused from the loose tire. I mean the messed up, screwed up hub bearings. So I got national oil seal, national bearings, inner and outer, with the racers. These are the old racers. I cleaned them up a little bit. They didn't look this clean. That's the old seal. As you can tell, there was dirt and moisture getting in here. You see these little slits in the seal, the cracks. So there's water getting in there, screwing it up. And these are the new inner and outer racers with the hub bearings. I'm gonna pack those in a minute. I just wanted to show you. And it's fairly simple to take these out of here, the old racers. I didn't use any special tool. All I used was this chisel right here. Did the inner and outer, went around. Regular chisel, doesn't have to be brass like other people use. And I just used the Thor hammer and slightly going around. It took me about, I'd say, 5 minutes. And give you guys a little tour on my mobile mechanic station here. My cart, when I go to Harry, you pull it. Oh, okay. Another problem. So in here, we got the washer, dust cap, nut, axle spindle nut, a little washer here. See, the issue, somebody put this in here. This is not even supposed to be in here, I don't think. But the problem was, there is supposed to be a spindle retainer for the nut. So it's like a castle nut that goes over here, and then the cotter pin that holds the castle retainer for this bolt, so this doesn't twist when you hold it down, when you torque this down to hand tight. That could have caused this issue right here with all this chafing and pitting. But the spindle is in good condition for the most part. Once I put everything back together and tighten it, it shouldn't really affect it as much with the new bearings and the new racers. I got my little heater. It's right around almost Christmas time here, so it's pretty cold. And I did put a new caliper and shock on here, and brakes, pads, whatever. So that's pretty much it. See you guys in the next one.